Okay, my name is Safiya, and I'm the hearing person, but I have a Somali deaf community here in London. And I'm happy to meet you, Zach, and your wife, lovely. MashaAllah, thank you for coming today. It's a magacayga xaladaha, Yasser Mc Andrew. Yeah. He is the secretary of Somali deaf community here. Assalamu alaikum. My name is Hodan Hussein. And here was Somali deaf community. She's the director. She is the head of the Somali deaf community here. Maxaa halkan u joognaa Somali deaf community ga waxaan u bixinay a Horn of Africa club. And we have to be welcome all the deaf brother, sister for socialing and seeing each other and not sit home to get bored and not to do anything. And we're making this to meet each other, to come here to connect for hearing people as well, and come here to enjoying, to talking to each other, having a coffee, cake. Yeah, having tea and everything they want. Yeah. That's all we're doing here.
Thank you for doing
it. Yeah. Salam alaikum. This is Somali deaf community. ماشي مع Somali deaf community. السلام عليكم. مقعي سنة ظاهر. السلام عليكم. مقعي وحنا لها أمان. سالمين وسنا deaf community Somali ما تقلت. وهو هذا السوشيال وحاسب السوشيال. tea عبينا كوفي كيك. السلام عليكم. Then you all come today. Saturday Somali community. Mahdim from Libya. السلام عليكم. عيسى إبراهيم. sign name كيسة إبراهيم سيدا. لما جامعة last year.
ما شاء الله.
And he passed and he's very happy.
ما شاء الله.
And he's come here to meet the friends and Somali deaf community today.
ما شاء الله.
ما شاء الله. Nice to meet you. إذا برتنا مع بمانتا. هذا فرح صباح إن شاء الله. السلام عليكم ورحمة الله وبركاته. مقعي سحلتها محمد. sign name كيسا وسيدا محمد. That's it. Yeah, he's from Mogadishu.
ما شاء الله.
Thank you. السلام عليكم. والله أحسنت. مقعي آمنة.
Hi.
What's your name? My name is Yasser Mc
Andrew. Okay. So let me just personally where you're hearing impairments and what that means difficult and what that means.
Because when I was young, I couldn't speak at all, I couldn't hear at all as well, until when I was about year 6. I speak and hear as well.
One son.
I have no friend, no deaf friend, everyone. I met him now,
Okay.
but they used to give me a ratio with so you can hear, but the teacher thinking,
Okay.
so you can hear more loud, so you don't listen to others, the children.
So you're more so
make
influential.
more focus.
It makes it easier for education when you're learning, you have the direct connection. Okay, so I just want to ask you, like, what are the benefits of communicating and speaking out? What are the benefits of going out there and meeting people who have the same impairments or similar impairments? And what advice would you give to the people who don't want to like socialize too much and want to isolate themselves because they feel like it's a hindrance for their lifestyle? What would you say to them?
And they want more focus to sometimes other people want around or again like make it up to you and you feel confident to learn it and how you learn and you get support there so you feel more confident and you do what you want the future.
And just grow and do it. Mashallah, you're so a lot of energy, a lot of excitement. I'm sure you can inspire a lot of people watching you right now who can take a lot from this event. So I just want to say thank you.
Assalamu alaikum. It's our Somali deaf community. We come here for deaf people have a plan, events and organization. Inshallah, we get somewhere. And we come from Eritrea. Yeah, mashallah. Welcome. Thank you.
Assalamu alaikum. My name is Safiya. I'm just hoping everything happens. And the communication, how to speak, they understand with each other. And I used to with British Sign Language. And I just helping like with each other how they communicate. I just came here. I want to know how this British Sign Language, how to understand, to practice. Now it's improving, so I can learn it. That's why it's better now. I'm so happy, alhamdulillah. Alhamdulillah, I just found it interesting, design. I love all of them, Somali, the first time. But alhamdulillah, now I'm so happy with all of this.
We're all happy to meet them. And his wife to meet today. And also ATM from Abdi Rashid.
Yes.
Come and we're happy to meet you all. Thank you for coming. And we hope in the future to connect and improve
I hope so.
media.
Yeah,
And all deaf people, they like to see in YouTube with the subtitle.
Yes.
Yes.
So inshallah this video will have subtitles.
Yes,
Yes.
this one was first one to have subtitle to understand what we say each other.
Yeah, but this is that, when you watch TV, but they can't understand what they speak, what they say, but they're not watching. They need to only that subject, we have to read, they understand, they get interested, that's why, the first time. Thank you very much.
Thank you.
And I have to say thank you, and when we say thank you, you can say welcome.
Welcome.
Yeah,
Thank you.
And this sign is what is your name, and then I say my name, then I have to make fingers spelling. So that's the start.
Nice.
Yes.
Thank you.
Thank you. Welcome.
Welcome.
Thank you.
That's our clapping. That's our clapping.
Okay.
Yeah.
We're clapping.
His name is Mahat. He's in the club here for Maldives, and he's enjoying to be here and talking social life and culture and language. We're talking food, we're eating lovely, and we share idea. Yeah, lovely food. Yeah, very good. Thank you to meet back as well. Yeah, very good. Thank you. My name is Abdi Karim. Yeah. His signing name is like this. Click him further. Somali deaf community, all the group, from Mogadishu, from they don't know the sign language in here, so we all come all around London and then we all gathering together to help each other at the language and everything. So that's my brief speech, and thank you very much. Assalamu alaikum. Today you see all Africa Deaf Club. Different people came, and this is deaf community, and he's encouraging encouraging to connect each other and try youth people, like youth deaf people, not to home and sitting and get bored. And all the family they speak and they are the only loneliness person who cannot hear. And it's better to come here to talk in their own language and everything. Yeah, to be easy. And here we can, Somali deaf community, we are providing for communication. If they have a difficulty for family communication, we will translate and we help them to improve their life to be easy. Yeah. Also, we do fundraising for Somali Deaf Club to give some money for charity to build up their lives better. So, for example, like Somali School Deaf, we will planning to give some money in the Somali Deaf community, but we are planning to give what they need, not straight the money, but what they need in that school for their school. I'm hoping you all support another Aisan help us for Somali Deaf community work and get improve the work. May Allah give you awards for your support and for your help in the future. Thank you for coming as well.
Thank you. Welcome.
Thank you. Welcome.
Yeah, this will be mashallah.
I help out these people translating in sign language. I help my brother. He comes to this community and my mom, my stepdad, and interact with these people.
We just have a moment. When I walked into the building, she kind of was like, so what did I do? What happened? You can tell the people what happened when I walked in.
Yeah, I was a bit shocked and surprised that I came, and I remember the Somali saying
video, yeah. I think it would have been a more crazier frenzy if I bought one to Sokelis, right? Yeah. But that guy is mashallah, he's great. But yeah, thank you so much for doing what you do. It doesn't get noticed. I know you do it out of your spare time, and you do want to get back and help your mom and your brother and other people are involved as well. So thank you so much. Is there anything you want to say to the world?
Assalamu alaikum, Tishu, Somalia.
Somalia. Tishu, everyone?
Yeah.
All around the world?
That's it, yeah.
Thank you. Thank you so much. Okay, well, how do you say that? Z. A. K.
Stands for
E.
E. I.
R.
A.
A. It's going to take me a minute. I'm going to learn. Okay, this is Safiya's daughter. What's your name?
Zainab.
Zainab, and her mother runs the center to help the deaf Somali community. So this is Abdurrashid's video. He's the member of anti-trafficking movement. This is his name. He wears a name tag on a regular basis. And he just learned sign language to say his name.
You want to tell his name now?
Yeah, it's going to say his name. Bismillah.
Okay,
Say Bismillah.
Bismillah.
Okay, go.
Say my name.
Hey, no cheating, okay? Ah!
No. Look, let me repeat again.
Okay, Bismillah, take time. Well, it's okay, keep going, you're fine, take your time. Nice.
أنا لك شيء.